channel. So today we are going to a coffee shop nearby our place. So we thought that and explore few other places. So I'll be taking you along there. So apart from that, this is how our street looks. Amazing, right? So let's see. And today the weather is much warmer than usual. So until day before yesterday it was about like -5, -6, but it's gotten better and it's 1 degree today. So this is better. So I'm like without hat and I'm roaming around. But it's very cold, guys. Be careful when you come to these places. Be warm, dress warm. So we're here at the cafe. So we bought a cappuccino, a latte and a cinnamon roll. So this costed us €2.50 and that was €2.80 and this was €2. So it was about €7. So that's about 630 rupees in Indian currency. So we'll be exploring more places today and I'll update you about that in a while. This was the coffee shop we came to. Now we are walking towards the Indian store. So there are a few groceries that we want to buy to the house. So we have a list of it and we plan to buy it there. And just walking. There are apparently like tram services and bus services, but we are supposed to get a card for that. And we don't know what's the procedure, so we are waiting until the college starts so that they'll help us with that. So we just see the good side of the snow and then it's like white and like bright and all of that. But once it's on the road and just like vibe swept towards the corner. This is how it looks. Look how dirty it is. So looks can be deceiving, guys. Looks can be deceiving. Sanju has few things to say about this place. So here is Sanju. ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಈ ಜಾಗ MG ರೋಡ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು ಗೈಸ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಚಿಕ್ಕಪೇಟೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪೇಟೆ ತರನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ನಡಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡ್ಗಳು ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
It is so bothering, guys.
Yes.
I was just kidding and we are not able to walk on this.
Yes.
And we are almost near to the place, to the Indian store, and I'll take you there in a while. Complain. Okay guys, we just came out to the Indian store. So one thing that we saw was that the masala items were about 4 times the price in India. And 1 kg paneer was €15. That's about 1,500 rupees in Indian currency. Wherein like we get it for 500 in India.
Chilies is €13
per kg. So that's about 1,300. And I don't know what is happening here. So you just have to know the recipes and work on it, because this is we can't with this. It's a lot pricier. The cost of living is way too much.
No, the thing is we can survive eating that food. It's more cheaper. Since
Yes.
this is imported, it is obviously costly.
Because pasta was only $90 in Indian currency because they only charge this €1. But green chilies alone is €13 per kg. How is it even same? Okay, so we got bored and we walked until our university. So we'll be not showing the university now because I'm waiting for my first day of college to show that to you. So I'll be updating on my course, my student exchange program and all of that in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. Because we decided not to go to Indian store, so we are here at Remy's Express to buy groceries because it's much cheaper, guys. So here Remy's is like a big a chain of supermarkets. So we buy here itself. So I'll show you the So we are done with the shopping in Remy's. So we got all the groceries that we wanted and the total was €5.35. So that's about 500 rupees approximately in Indian rupees. So we spent a lot today on coffee and this. So we spent about 1,200. So the daily expenses are way too much. So I'll be making a debrief about how much I spend in a day in like future videos, I guess. So stay tuned for that. There are like a lot of videos that I'm getting and a lot of inspiration from you guys because you keep telling me to do various, giving me ideas to make other videos as well. I've been noting it down and I'll try to deliver as much as I can while, managing the house chores, my college work and this as well. So thank you for all the support. Like, share and subscribe to Life of Shriya. Until then, goodbye.